So we'll continue with the construction of the laptop stand. So I'm going to create a new component, and I'm going to call it, look over here, there's 4 base supports, so base support 1. Okay, and then modify, move copy, I can select this piece, and I'm going to move it $60mm. I'm going to create a copy. You can see that I'm going to cancel that because that's the same command. Select that, create a copy. You need to create a copy before you move it. $60mm. Okay, and I'll do the same thing again 2 more times. New component. Select that. You can see the move copies up there as well. Doesn't like that, so let's try that again. No. Now you can see that you only get a move copy if you go into the pull down menu. This is just move. Okay. Okay, and then 1 more time. Okay, and we'll do the same thing again. Modify, copy, copy, okay, so we've now got those 4 pieces. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the the other piece, just called them arms. So we want to do right click, new component, okay, and then we're going to create that component. Let's put it on that plane and let's draw it up here. Let's look at the size. So diameter is 60 and it's 330. So let's do that there. Diameter is 60. Enter. Draw another one. 60. Enter. we'll put the 4mm in the middle. Now, same on the other side. And then we use a dimension command. And that should be 330. And we can use the line command to go from here to here and here to here. And if you remember what we did last time, we took those pieces out, then we can finish the sketch, then we can extrude that by 3mm, and we then need to copy that. So we'll go new component, ARM1, OK, and then we will select that component and we'll move it $60 that way. Oh, as you can see, I made a mistake there. Easy mistake to make. Move copy. Select the body, create copy, and then start to move it. Okay. 60. Okay. And then if I just click on the radio button up here, we'll see everything. I'll zoom in to fit. We can see all of our components, and then I'll leave that, well, I'll save that there, and then I'll finish the video and do another video. Okay.